got to the end of this story with your brother and the Jeep Wrangler.
Oh gosh. So, so my mom is dead set. She's dead set on buying this thing.
Actually, I turned that clicker on.
Oh, oh, right there's one. Right there's one. Look, see it?
No, I don't.
You don't see that?
No.
Dude,
Keep heading.
I wasn't paying attention. He's a little one.
I think there is. Yes, back in there.
Dude, that was probably a 24 incher, but I reeled it all the way up to the tip and I forgot to figure eight and he stopped. Wasn't paying attention. So they're in here. See if we can get him to come again on it. You didn't see that, dude? He was sitting right there.
No, I didn't.
That was a really small one.
Hey, we would definitely take it at this point.
Can you circle us back around here?
When it's working. I mean,
Right.
There's a lot of things we don't know.
Oh, dude, I can't believe that thing just sat right by the boat. When it hit that rod tip, it just stopped. Oh, oh, right there he is, right there he is, there he is. There he is. Did you see him?
No. I have yet to see him.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, cast back in here. I think that was two different fish.
Was it about the same size?
No, that one was a lot bigger. That was about like the ones we caught last week.
What time is it?
10, 15-ish. Okay, so they're in here. Dude, I can't believe I spooked one. I can't believe he missed that. I mean, he took a full-blown lunge at it.
I'm going to go back to the head of the hole and we'll come back and fish it again.
Okay. Dude, that one that I saw, it was about that long. I mean, it was a small one. And that second one was actually... But they were sitting at the same spot right there, which I've never seen that before. So unless I just didn't see that first one right.
That's possible.
Unless it was just bigger than what I thought it was.
Do it one more time this way and we'll keep the spot. I saw your legs start shaking on that.
Oh. Dude, I thought I had that one because he was circling it like that one that you caught there last week. I mean, he was flat circling that thing. That first one, man, that was my fault though. I reeled it right up to the tip of it. And it stopped right there on the spot and I started the figure eight and it followed it once. It was like, ah. And there's just a lot of timber in here, isn't there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's one. See? See? Oh, you've got to see that. You got to see that. Where'd he go?
Where's he at?
I don't know. He's left it. You didn't.
Here, he's right here.
Oh. Was he there? Gosh, did you see that one?
I saw him right here.
That's the third one for the day, man. Gosh, what am I doing wrong? finicky today, aren't they?
I haven't even seen them. Well, I saw that one.
He's a fighting thing, ain't he?